How to log in into Canva account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can log in into our Canva account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser and in the search bar, type in canva.com. Press enter in your keyboard and you will land on an official web page of Canva. Now to log in, navigate towards the top right corner and there is login button. Click on login. Now you will be taken into this page. Here it says log in or sign up in seconds. And here you have different options to log in into your account. If you have created your account using your Google account, you can continue with Google, or you can also continue with Facebook or else email. If you want to use another way, click on continue another way. And if you have created your account with your email or your work email or with your mobile number, you can do that as well. So since I have created my account with my Google account, I will just continue with my Google account. Now you have to select your account. Select your account and then click on continue. So if you have not logged in to your account before, you might be asked to enter your password as well. So make sure to type in your password and with that you'll be logged into your Canva account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.